The first time eating biryani ever. Biryani, biryani, biryani. We heard a lot about biryani, which is the best food in India. So they said the best biryani you can try it's in Hyderabad. So today we're gonna travel to try especially the biryani in Hyderabad. Is it really worth it? And what is it, the biryani? So let me tell you the story of biryani. Biryani is a mixed rice dish and originally it came from Iran. So in Iran they call it biryan, which is meaning fried before cooking. So they used to provide it to armies because it's rich of protein and carbs. And from there it passed to India where they added more spices and become more delicious. So we just arrived to Chennai and they informed us that the best way to go to airport is with the public bus. Now I'm going. This is Ali is waiting, standing, waiting for the bus to take us to airport directly. Hyderabad, they're coming. Finally, we did it. We are in Hyderabad to try their famous biryani in the world by itself. So excited, actually. I never tried it. How many years I stayed in Dubai and I never thought to try it. For the first time, I'll be trying it in the most famous place in the world for biryani. Let's see how it will look like and is it really worth it as they are saying and is it really delicious or no. Where can I find the best biryani?
शादाब होटल से बेस्ट बिरयानी कहाँ मिलेगा?
आगे मिलेगा।
क्या नाम है?
नाम तो भाई हमको नहीं मालूम है। आगे मिलेगा।
Where can I find the best restaurant for biryani?
आगे।
What's the name?
नाम नहीं।
Best biryani, Shadab.
He's saying I will take you, I will rate you.
So now we are in the most famous place in Hyderabad, which is, they call it Charminar. So Charminar, as you can see, that four minars. Char in Indian language, that means four. So these minars before it was full of gold and diamond and it was so beautiful, but the British people, they took it. And recently there is a big chain of gold outside of that. No one noticed that until recently they took it and they found out that it's gold. So we are here exactly, we are looking for the best restaurant for sure. It should be people, they know which one. So we are looking for the best biryani, which is the most famous biryani in this Hyderabad because for sure there are many. So now we have to know that which is the real and famous best biryani ever. Where can we find the best biryani?
Shadab.
So we are asking the people, everyone saying different answers, like there is paradise, there is other name. So now still we are continuing and seeing who's voting for more. Let's see which is to be the best and we will try it. Logically, when you travel to any country, when you go to the most famous place, they will tell you the most famous restaurant. But here they are saying only the nearest restaurant. I don't know why. As per our information, my husband, there is a Bawarchi restaurant which is so famous for biryani. The second thing now they're saying there is a Paradise and there is Shadab. Two other names, we heard it a lot. Still we are voting. Let's see who will vote more. Thank you.
Hello, madam.
Thank you, Rada. We are looking for biryani and same time we are making a tour discovering Hyderabad. I never expected that it will be nice this much, like everything, market, everything you can find it here and it's near to each other. So many people, they said, which name they said?
It's super cheap.
Super cheap. Which name they said? Mostly
Shabaz.
the
Shabaz or Shabar something.
Shabaz. So like, we have to look for it. Guys, I will show you something. This is all chocolate. They're selling chocolate. Easy, just take one little and go. And this, they're selling fruit here. I don't know this fruit actually. This looks like apple. And many crazy things. Samosa, they like too much chili, that's why it's like spicy. Thank you. And this corn. You have to push and run here. Thank you.
You don't get chance to.
You don't get chance to go, really. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Buy the bag and I will give you Charminar free.
He said what? I'll buy the bag. What he will do?
He will give Charminar free.
He will give us Charminar free. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go. Look at this. Looks so old. What do you want, this guy? You're supposed to fall down. he want?
He don't want, he wants to give the auto.
No, the highest vote actually it was for this restaurant. So now we're gonna discover how is it. It's not that far from this place. You have to just walk like around the 10 minutes. They're telling us. So now we're gonna see how is it. To find the correct brand for water is a really big thing. I don't advise you to try any other brand. This is many people they advise me to take the real one. So when you see sometimes a sticker, you have to really focus on it because many people they advised me regarding the water. So everywhere you go, you have to be sure that the brand of the water is correct because some people they are doing like some fake brands of water and really this is not good. And many of the people they advise us to really take the exact real brand. Don't take any other brand.
No.
This is Medina Hotel. I don't think this is the one they're advising. This car is not moving. It is moving. This is another one for biryani. So where is it? Other thing, guys, here for restaurant they call it hotel. They don't call it hotel. It's for hotel, which is I know. They call it restaurant. They call it hotel, opposite. Anyway, hotel is restaurant and restaurant is a hotel. So it's completely opposite. Huh?
That's the one.
This is the one? So we are in front of it now. Okay. Is it clean? Let's see. It's crowded the place so much, so you have to wait. Okay, I still having good feeling since it's waiting, so it's nice maybe. Maybe. Are waiting since 10 minutes actually. Many people are here. The more you feel waiting, the more you feel excited. How is it? Should it worth it or no? I don't know. Let's see. So let's see. Ta-da! Now is the moment of the truth. So tell us the prices as well.
Prices.
We'll ask him directly the best biryani, right? Best biryani, what they have?
The best biryani they have
Mutton biryani for sure.
goat head.
No, thank you. So guys, we traveled specially for rice from Charminar, from Pondicherry, and then we are here. We are waiting. It's too long actually waiting. Too long.
You have to wait when something is special.
We have to wait. What?
Special things always takes time.
Waiting. Where is my biryani? Bring my biryani now.
Taking time because we ordered a lot. When it's special, it takes time because they're cooking with the hot food.
What?
Cooking with the hot.
The heart.
Hot.
Oh. So, no, it's not the biryani, no. What's the soup? This is the soup. Preparation for biryani, I guess so. So our butter naan is here. This is the sauce for biryani. Butter naan. Something. Biryani is here. Moment of the truth. Sunni as well. And Sunni, please. Thank you. So guys, I want to mention that this one is totally enough for three of us, to be honest. It's a lot he kept, mashallah, as you can see. So this is our Indian food now we will eat in Hyderabad. How's your feeling? Let's try.
Can't stop.
It smells so good. This is the biryani. It's mixed between white rice and other color rice. So they make a saluna sauce on it. So it looks like a different color inside, like brown color, orange, yellow, white. So they like colors, as you know how Indians here they prefer to eat with the colors even in the food. So everything is colorful, as you can see. So that's the dal, and this is the soup. And they prefer as well eating with onions, so this is must. They like eating with onion a lot, especially in this city. Let's try. The first time eating biryani ever.
It's worth it. It's really delicious. Gravy.
Wow. Whoa. Spicy. Spicy. But delicious. Spicy.
5.
They gave it, yes, 4 from 5 review. It's really worth it. Wow.
A gravy selected kalpolidemo.
Spicy but delicious. Woo.
Wow, it's finished.
He kept for me the big piece of chicken as well.
You should eat with the yogurt. Try. No, try.
He kept yogurt. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, first time I eat with yogurt. Really?
It will give the spice.
Guys, what to eat, what to try. It's really must. Delicious, so nice. The name of the restaurant? Shahandar.
Shadab.
Shadab? Shadab, not Kadab, Shadab. That restaurant, it's really worth to visit. So nice. Cockroach. So this is Shadab restaurant. Okay? Guys, I will speak in Hindi now. Let's see if I will say it properly or no. Bhaiya, egg plate lao. Egg plate lao.
Great.
I said that. Plate. Plate chahiye. I want plate. Correct? No? I guess no. Yes or no? Egg, plate chahiye, guys. This is now lesson for the people who don't speak Hindi. I will teach you. Chahiye, that means I want. Egg 1 is enough for today. Shukriya. And put this. Shukriya, that means thank you. Habi? Saluna, that means sauce.
Yes.
This is the one. I forgot about this. Why it's so much water?
Dal.
Oh, I forgot about this. In Dubai it's dry.
Different.
I like the dry one. This is good for you to drink it, I think. It's like soup. As you can see here, there is a dal, which is there is a red color and there is yellow color, right? So sauce, because I saw 2 types.
Yes.
Yeah. So now today we got this type, and it smells good. Biryani with this, you can mix it, by the way, no problem, I think, right? No? No? Okay, I will try to mix it.
There will be more.
Ta-ra-ra-ra, mixing biryani with dal. Let's see.
Don't do that.
Who did this? Who did this before, guys? Wow.
Don't do that.
Really, I like it. Guys, make. Why don't. My husband's saying, no, don't do it. He's saying, don't. Try it. You will remember me. You'll like it so much. Today I invented new thing. Biryani with dal. Or dal biryani, we can call it. It's up to you, no problem. Dal biryani chicken. Wow. Really, I like it. One like this. We put like this. It works. Okay, thank you. So guys, after you finish your eating your food, they will give you some water with a lemon. It's too hot, the water. The water is too hot, right? You have to wash your hands here. You don't. No, you don't need to go to somewhere like to the washroom or something. They will bring same place. You can wash your hands with the hot water and lemon.
And you can wash your face.
By the way, the lemon is so good for nails. If girls you are watching, this is so good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video.